Do you have a Ford Explorer? Well, do you have this problem with it? Now, this might apply to just the sport models, ST models, things like that, but those down pipes, or mid pipes rather, do tend to make this very, very annoying rattling sound once everything warms up, and it's just so annoying. I'm actually just gonna plan on doing a cheap fix. Gonna try something out with some 304 stainless worm clamps, basically, to wrap around those accordion style flex pipes, and that is where the source of the rattle is coming from. So let's see if we can't just like do something like a quick, cheap $10 fix, and maybe a half hour of your time at the very most. Let's see if this helps somebody, and you know, if this helps you, like, subscribe, all the good stuff. I do want to press that this is more of a band-aid fix. It's not a permanent fix. If you want to treat it like a permanent fix, that is entirely up to you. But what I do want to press is that this is more of a get-you-by repair. All you're gonna need is your straps, maybe some ramps, or maybe like a jack or something like that. Anything to lift your car up so you can gain access. You're also going to need a sheet of exhaust wrap. This is going to be very helpful in eliminating the noise. So, with the car lifted, to access these intermediate pipes here where your flex pipes are located, get to those. By which one's making the noise. One's a little bit making noise, but we're going to put straps on both of these. As you can see, I cut off the netting on this one because I thought that this material was actually making the rattling noise. That didn't seem to be the case. So now we're going back to the drawing board here, and we're just gonna throw some straps to tighten this up, because what happened was when the Explorer was running and was idling, I kind of tucked my arm down here and I stuck a screwdriver just like this, like so, or even just did one of these, and it immediately quieted down. So, from my opinion, just a quick fix, instead of spending the almost $1,000 on new intermediate pipes with the flex pipe attachment. And these flex pipes are, in my opinion, garbage if they act like this. Then put some straps on it, and then wait until we can just get this replaced with other high quality stuff. Okay, what a pain this is with just a screwdriver. I underestimated how long these straps are. I think these are supposed to be for 8-inch diameter or something. These seem far larger than that, so I'm gonna just go grab like an impact or some sort of drill so I can like fit this socket and just slowly do it rather than just continuously turn. Make my job a little bit easier. I'm not saying you can't, I'm not saying it's not possible, I just want my job to be easier. With a slew of adapters, we'll make magic happen. All right. Yeah. All right. We have 3 of these straps on there. Let's see if that helps a little bit. So I'm under a running engine, sue me. Let's see. Right here. Right here is where I need to be. So it's a little bit quieter, but just need pressure on holding these together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some exhaust, a little piece of exhaust wrap. Alright, and there it is. We only had 4 straps. I guess I could have used 2 on the inside, 2 on the outside, and just kind of keep it all together. But as you can tell, the noise is completely gone. So some basic hardware, some basic tools is all you really need to fix this problem. Now, again, I'll go over it one more time. It is not a permanent fix. It is a very temporary band-aid. It could be permanent if you want it to be that way. It's not the cleanest fix. But the primary objective here was to get rid of the noise. The noise is the biggie, okay? My wife's driving around, she's driving to work, back. Every stoplight, that's all you hear is this rattle noise, and it was absolutely atrocious. So, with that said, we fixed the rattle. For now, we can find a more permanent fix for this by actually changing out the intermediate pipes. But I'm a big fan of cheap fixes, and intermediate pipe replacements from Ford are about ranging from $300 to $500. And might as well replace both pipes in case the other flex pipe does the same issue. And you're looking at almost $1,000 here, guys. I'd much rather spend $10 to $20 fixing something that's more of something audibly pleasing to know that that rattle is gone. So, simple fix. Hope this helps somebody, at least with this annoying issue, to at least have some sort of temporary fix for it so they don't have to deal with it much longer and find a permanent fix for it. And if that is their permanent fix, then so be it. More power to you. Catch you guys on the next one. Got some big ones coming.